Greeting to all sport lovers and the dedicated pundit of the beautiful game. How are you? I hope you are all doing well and staying safe. I have a good news to share with you, so sit back, relax, and enjoy. But before we dive into our details, I would like to take this chance to express my sincere gratitude for your unwavering support throughout my journey. Your cheers and encouragement mean the world to me. So, if you visit us for the first time and maybe you want to get all news information, you can subscribe and smash the bell icon. Here we go. Kaizer Chiefs legend Lucas Radebe has come out to defend coach Nazardine Mohamed Nabi and suggest that he should be given another season of 2025-2026 as the team gear up with different competitions like the Betway Premiership, Nedbank Cup, Colina Court Cup MTN8 and the prestigious KF Confederation Cup. He says it is pity that we judge coaches by result and he wasn't great in the league but got us what we haven't had in the longest time, which is a trophy, said Radebe per Times Live. I think Nabi deserves another season so that we can see where he is heading. For him, bring consistent and the team get better in the league so that we can challenge for honors and qualify for the continental football. The club must invest in players and always Nabi cry that Kaizer Chief management should give him a quality players. But this season so far, Kaizer Chiefs head coach Nazardine Mohamed Nabi succeeded to give them Nedbank Cup after 10 years of a trophy drought, but he managed to win 8 games out of 28 encounters in the Premier Soccer League, and 8 games ending in a draw, and he lost 12 games. So he finished the league with 32 points and sat on the 9th position of the league table. Do you agree with Lucas Radebe that Kaizer Chiefs should give Nazardine Mohamed Nabi another season? Please write a little bit on the box section below.